for coming out tonight. Good morning. And I've yes yesterday. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. All right, thank you. SA, first of all, you miss 80% of the show. Yeah. But because of you, me, and today, I'll forgive you for coming late. Yeah. It's normal. No big men. Anytime you know how to call the useless MC say now the show want to start properly. Thank God. So we all know this is.
Since I was born, but now I am getting old. Thank you.
They say if I tell you say my cousin, they know they believe. They say you senior me. Fronesis money. Yeah. Who names? Dr. Ogene Kuhuya Ogene Bere Onabi Desma. They call me the comedy catalyst. The other one of Nigerian comedy, no me the one of Additional Kingdom. The other Ben Koye say one. Ego na one. Do no me of Delta State. Do brainy one of Roboland. Multiples are already comedian back to back in CCST counting. I be comedian. I'm funny. I don't know why people they break promise. We plan. Say who fair make am. You carry the other person along. Now you leaving for PWD. Hello. Okay, yes, now so. See who suffer before get money and they get reply for everything. What are you? Yeah? Yeah?
You say you be something of this piece. Something of that. You don't be anything of Lagos.
You say what thing? Who shall not be anything of Lagos? Now you come up for your house, go watch me. Now the place where I call and they perform so I'm the new Mendu of Attribution Kingdom. Hey! Look at this one. And you know that they hear no Mendu? Wait. What? You know me do not robo? Not the BM that AI you. Anyway, thank us I don't get small money, not be small money for it, my ICU. Yeah. I don't know the meaning, but yeah.
Allah is turning things around. Allah is turning.
Like sweet oh, you see how people they laugh oh. People when they quit die, and people went too serious. Laugh. Yes, who you they protect, they happy you. Happiness is a byproduct. Na joko. All these men when they wear brass suit, they come with pistol.
I'm not afraid.
Keep quiet, I'm afraid. Lagos Station, I'm not afraid. What they do you? We are joking. Hello? Your boss is my friend, right?
I don't care.
Don't go fire you. I care you out, don't mind him. Jesus. You don't start to. That's why you take me for a while for Abuja. I go here ASP. They don't promote the guy, so they find what he go to try the post. No, say when you don't increase for original care, he won't prove to say he get level. And they have the guy, you hear native, they laugh. You do me like this. Show up in the guy, come here, come. You will hear from me. You're coming here, right? I say, yeah. You will go far. Do I'm seeing you? You will go very far. You know, say Joe Pin. As I come outside, now 2 police when they just recruit. And the first day when they follow their girl come and so they won't shine. I was like, where the comedian inside? Yeah. So where the comedian outside? Why do you want to say we go far? I say yes, when I saw God to go say now enter that van. I said to him, say Zampara. Now did he just say, I mean no far. Listen to me, eh? No matter how una run come up for this country, who no make a here, no see make anywhere. If you make a there, now be say you did there when your time reach. If you sit there, that time when you make a there, you will make a here. You make a here. Hello. We will go back. Listen to me. Round table. Now what everybody get. Not be when they bring me, you go peace. Come for a better passport and for manage back. What's it? Why you hide update? See the way as we know English now, we know way math, no pronunciations, no English, but no way math. See the way sit down, you see the way sit down go back of women. So that's women collect, go pitch. That's all it's supposed to be. That's all it's supposed to be. I just see some people will say, some people these shows they never laugh. They're too serious. And they say a comedy club, they come on. Serious. Listen to me. I'm 41, sir. Do you know the little 41 years I have lived in this life? I discover say on very serious people, the first on serious people die. Now many people when die, great men when die. Now foolish people they explain how they die. Smile, Jesus name, smile. Sir, do you know the way on all rulers for this Lagos now? You know say this Lagos now who knows how be a person? No go stop way. Yes. Lagos now heli now. Yes. The era one we dey for Lagos now heli competition. Yes. Just go, sir. I call him small wedding. You know say this prayer now they do wedding. He say that way. I can't do wedding here. We are back. Sometimes I went to one guy just come. Bad. Me don't know the meaning now. Bad too. What's it be Akbar? Leader, oh, senior. You know say it is. You know say the guy did like this. The guy they hear. I sure the guy didn't call me. If why? Now give him. I go die. Now so me and the guy do 10 minutes. So I just start my car, start for the car. In there like this. You want you really keep people. And the guy said, leader. Now I give my chairman. And the guy gave me councilor. I say local government. You don't say hey. And the guy carry me go governor. The guy say governor. I say president. I don't know how the guy take things. Say, would he pass president? And the guy shout, my God. So one play, don't kind of go spiritual. You know, say I find something. I'm watching past God. But the best people, when go hear you, you know fit deny, now worry. Oh. I go worry against her. We are park. Nobody there when I park. Oh. As I went out the motor, I just see two boys, whether they're from the tire. They're from Como because I don't see anybody they come. accident grow. I tell you, a leader. Say now we dey wash the car. I say wash waiting. When I park, I see you say, Baba, they don't see us. That's so they do. He says to call your motor not dey intact. I say dey intact. Now the guy say find out something. Now say me now worry I be now. And I worry boys. And I worry with them. So I say no, worry no fish up worry. Now I come to them say, Baba, all of all these streets. Now the guy say, Baba, I know. But you see your street get street light. No say I find out something. No say the war come Lagos. I came to Lagos May 2nd, 2008. Hear my story. No say the war take come. I no fit come out like that. You know what I mean? The bag when I take park come Lagos, I no fit pack the bag go like that. You don't heavy. You know what they call a home of excellence? Jesus. That means no matter anywhere you blow, if you never, they never know you for Lagos, you never be superstar.
Give me a chance. I don't see my nose.
Do you know anywhere we go for the world, when they want to call Lagos comedian, the level they change? They say now let's start the show properly. Now, man of God, sorry, politician. Nothing sweet me rich. Say as we did. He knows our hope. He know. I don't call you say me you borrow me money. But not to say you know if you give me, but you never give me, but. You say, can they do car loan? You bring your car, I'll give you loan. You know when they evaluate my car before I give you loan, I'm booking. When they buy condemn. That's when I come back. Babe, when I buy that Benz, you never reach 1 week now. Now I call a bookie. Say, you buy this Benz? Now I walk around. Nice man. I want salam. I say yes. Now I walk around again. Are you serious? They honor more. You think they walk up? And I say, but na condemn. I say how much? Nice man. I'll give you 30,000. Eh? You know what you eh? He said, beware. What do you know say that true? You just see useless people, they comment. It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a true man of God. My pastor tell them, oh God. So let's do it like church. Sir, one guy just tell me, say, my picking at 12 years. You know what they tell me? So that I went to the poster. And I will call the bomb. No, I don't go another work on this comment that they do. So now my math, I will just sell my market well. Sir, did you wait? Not be joke. One can tell me say my beginning at 12 years. 12 years ago, and they stay with you, they stay with person.
Mercy Sadela, come down now to your children.
So where the sexual intercourse take place? You say for car, idiot. You don't expose yourself. Yeah. See you, car sex. See you. That's why I say man try that car sex one day. Because the wicked secure they talk, I be like say no for motor no go heaven. That's say man try. From Magodo. Not from Magodo. Listen to me, eh? You see this life, eh? Sir, do you know why most comedians went blow before no blow again? Man, explain to you. You get the way they don't reach. They say they don't reach stardom. Success now journey, they know they arrive. Am I communicating? Yeah. The comedian told me in Abuja, he said you are still performing like upcoming. I said, that's how I go do. The day I said I don't arrive, and I go down. That's how it just be. Sir, do you know? Castle sweet. Now to see where folk. No say from Magodo we define dark place. Oh, true life story now. We define, sir, Your Excellency. We define where to fall for Magodo. You know say why you define where to fall? Johnny know the foul. Essay, this one you're laughing at. Essay.
Done so much for
Essay. Wait. I know people are laughing from experience. Essay.
This life I can't keep myself.
You all go even far because you're popular. And you be politician. Do you know say, not Joko, from Magodo, we'll say, this place quiet. We'll back. If you just see small light. You know, say from Magodo, we pass regime. Near or rare, now we see darkness. No, my shock you. You know, say, now when we release, I couldn't ask my baby, where we read it. I mean, when you release, you realize. You're gonna say vanity or vanity, say it is vanity. See, anyway they say you got a fish and you be the richest. Paco. I would just wake up the full street. Problem for my house. That almost give me ballet. Sir, Ikotu, I just see Tojuro, Casabigo, Azu, for Ikotu. Now, if na hall, if you not pay me, you know local government council. Oh, who know Ikotu na? I never you know there na. Hey, I know something about Lagos. In English, please.